Okay, so now that our schematic is wired, I will recommend you to go to the top toolbar and click on this zoom to fit symbol, or you can just click on this zoom to object. So you can see this schematic is zoomed in according to our sheet. Now, the next step after the wiring and net label is to do the annotation. So the annotation gives each symbol a unique reference designator. So this helps us identify each component clearly, like during PCB layout and when generating a bill of materials. So in KiCAD, annotation is often done automatically when you place a symbol. However, you can also annotate or re-annotate manually by clicking the Fill in Schematic Symbol Reference Designator button in the top toolbar. So this is a small annotate icon, and it ensures that each component like the resistor, LED and the batteries have a unique identifier. Identifier are such as R1, D1 or BT1 in our case. So if you say we have one more resistor in our circuit, then one of the resistor will be R1 and the second one will be R2. So if you need, you can toggle automatic annotation from the left hand toolbar. Next is we will edit the symbol properties to specific component value. This is important for clarity and for assigning correct parts during PCB design. To do this, select a component. Let's start with the LED. Right click on it and choose the properties, or simply press the E key as a shortcut. In the properties window, you will see a field which is called value. Since you are using a red LED in this project, change the value to red. In real world project, this field can be more specific, such as including the LED exact manufacturing part number. Okay, so now do the same thing for the battery. Select the battery symbol, open its property and set the value to 3 volt. As we are using a 3 volt lithium coin cell. Finally, update the resistor. Select the resistor, open its properties and change its value to 1 kilo ohm resistor. So that's it for the symbol properties. This step does not just improve schematic readability, it also ensures accuracy when you move on to a PCB layout and part list. With proper annotation and clearly defined values, your schematic becomes a reliable blueprint for building and manufacturing your circuit.